In this video, I'll show you how to get your Telegram profile link. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If for any reasons you love to get your Telegram profile link, head over to your Telegram, right? This is our Telegram. So let's say I want to get my profile link. Now what I'm going to do right now, you're going to have to first head over to your Telegram account, right? This is your profile name. Head over to your copy of username, right? Copy it. Once you have copied it, head over to the message, right? Type in t.me, right, slash, then paste your username. Once you have pasted it, you're gonna go back and remove that @ right, click on it. So yeah, it's gonna give you your Telegram profile link, I think. So this is it exactly. So this is our Telegram profile link. This is our Telegram profile link. What we're gonna do, basically type in t.me slash, enter your profile name, like. So this is basically your Telegram profile link. This is how you can get your Telegram profile link. If you find this video helpful, share thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.